Good afternoon, my name is Vincent with GS Draft, and I will show you the unboxing of a reverse tap unit that you just purchased and the basic tools and equipment that comes with it. First, what we're gonna have is drain tube, 1/2 inch. We will provide worm clips for you, flow meter valves attached with 6 feet of restriction. We'll show you how to install those with worm clamps attached, and your reverse tap unit. One of the first things you want to do is look for the power source, which is this first screen. This one jumps and powers the other unit as well. Next, you actually want to find the cable here that attaches to your power pack here, as well as this. Now I already have one set up, and I will show you what to do next. Make all the connections necessary. You will find this single loose cable. Plug it in. There's only one way to clip it in correctly. If you do it the other way, it won't go in, it won't seat, and it won't power. Plug it in. And what you're looking for at this point is to make sure display screens both power on. You'll also look for all these lights for your LED panel. Now, once you have that plugged in and set, we will provide you with extra worm clips. Now attach your drain tube. About 3 feet, anywhere from 3 to 4 feet, we will provide for you. Now, as a 1/2 inch tubing, you can muscle it on. The next best bet is to chew. Put on like so. And then get a screwdriver and or drill and tighten it down. I'll just do very basic for now. Once you have done that, next thing you want to do is get your flow meter valves. Flow meter valve with your restriction, 6 feet again. You can trim down to size as needed. When inserting flow meter valves, you do not want to worry about these top two. This is for glycol. We want to insert into this one by itself. Now be careful, this is plastic. You do not want to rock back and forth, anything like that. You push straight down, and if it's giving you some issue, twist as you're pushing in. You don't want any gap like this. No, we want this as close to and as and insert it as far as possible. Remember, no, yes. Next, what you want to do is get the flow meter cable. All the sides on the right are taken up for the LED screen or the display screen. You want to go on the left. There's a 3-prong and a 2-prong. Move this out of the way. Just insert it into the 3-prong, like so. For better cable management, you can wrap it around the solenoid, or you can wrap it around the flow meter itself, just so there's nothing dangling and in the way. Once you have completed that, you're gonna find, or you're gonna mount it to whichever. You want to make incisions and or cut your hole By the width of this, you will mount through these holes. There's 4. Now keep in mind, there are 2 units, 4 units, and 6 units. You will get the proper equipment needed and the proper amount for whatever size you have purchased. Next thing you want to do is once you mount it to whatever surface you're going to, you will get your restriction. You will find your coupler. We will again provide you with worm clips. Beer, gas. Beer, gas. Once you have that together, you will clamp it down. Get it as tight as you can. Not too tight, as you don't want to degrade the tubing itself. Next, gas. Typically it's gonna be a red line if it's a kegerator unit that's already provided you with the necessary tools. It could be a 5/16 clear as well. Once you do that, you get the gas, you place it here. At that point, let me get my keg ready. Once you have made all the necessary adjustments, you will tap it into your keg and you will be ready to rock and roll. The next thing right here will be settings. At this point, we will provide you with a quick guide on how to set up your unit, and we will also provide you with an in-depth guide to get through the different settings. So as you can see, the top circle right here is for a small cup. And if you can notice here closely, it says 11.2. This goes to 16 ounces. This goes to 19 ounces. So that's small, medium, large, depending on what size cups you can provide and purchase for your unit. I hope this helps you out. If you have any questions, let us know.